Today I will presenting to you about my presentation about business letter. Before we go, I will introduce myself. My name is Oki Susanto from IPB International Culinary Management in 4th semester from class B. For the first, I will talking about the definition of business letter. Business letter are formal paper communication between to or from business and usually sent through to the post office or by courier business letter. Are sometimes called snail mail. They listen concretes on business letter but also look at the other business correspondency, known as the sender to a person or group, known in the business as the recipient. For the example, business to consumer, job applicant to company, citizen to government official, or employee to the staff member. For the second, I will talking about the business letter format. If you can see in the right part, you can see the example of a business letter template. Here are some basic guidelines. For the first, use a 4 European or 8.5 times 11 inch North American paper or letterhead. Use 2.5 cm or 1 inch margin on the all over the sides. Use a simple font such as Times New Roman or Arial. Use 10 to point font. Use a Coleman after salutation. For the example, dear Mr. Bond, lay out the letter so that it fits paper appropriately. Single space within paragraph, double space between paragraph, double space between last sentences and closing. Best wishes, for example. Any other. For the third, I will talking about the planning a business letter. First of all, business letter is not a place for chit-chat. Unlike a business conversation, where a certain amount of small talks can break the ice. A business letter should be clear and concise, so there's some point of plan a good business letter. Sorry. For the example, during the planning the stages, ask a few simple questions, identifying your audience first, introduce yourself nicely and with a good attitude. Make sure the main reason for the letter should be understood from the guideline. And first, first few sentences. Gather any dates, address, names, price, times, and the other information. And the fourth, I will talk about writing a business letter. The term business letter makes people nervous. Many people with English as a second language worry that their writing are not advanced enough for a business writing. This is not access to an effective letter in the business uses short, simple sentences and straightforward vocabulary. So I will explain with directly a part of business letter. So some of you write a business letter without distress. For the first, I will talk about part of business letter, salutation. For the first and the first most, make sure that you spell name or recipient name correctly. You should also confirm the gender and the proper title. The second, first paragraph in the most of the business letter is common to use friendly greeting in the first sentences of the letter. Example, I hope you are enjoying this fine summer. After your short opening, set the main point of your letter in the one of two paragraph. Example, I am interested in the job opening posted on your company website. In the third part, I will talk about second and the third paragraph. Use a few short paragraphs to go into greater detail about your main point. And if you are including sensitive material, such as rejecting an offer or informing an employee of a layout period, embed these sentences in the second paragraph. For the final paragraph, your last paragraph should include requests, reminders, and not enclosure. If necessary, you can contact information also be in this paragraph. For the closing, Here are some common ways to close our letter. Use a comma between their and your handwriting name. If you don't using a common or color in your part, left out the comma after closing parts. So I will sharing about writing tips. Be a good business letter. For the first, use a conventional tone. Ask the direct question. Double check the gender and spelling of name. Use active voice whenever possible. Use a polite modals. For example, would, in, favor, or will. Always refer to yourself and I. Don't use we unless it is clear actually who the pronoun refers to. Rewrite any sentences or requests that sound foggy, and then the last, don't forget to include the date. So, thank you about listen my presentation.